Brother Genuine Cartridge. Brother TN450 is a Brother Genuine cartridge that produces mono laser prints in high quality you can depend on. Yields up to 600 pages. This replacement high-yield black toner cartridge can print approximately 600 pages. Seamless integration. This professional replacement black toner cartridge creates rich blacks and is engineered to work in seamless unison with your Brother laser printer. For use with Brother laser printers, all-in-ones and fax machines, DCP-7060D, DCP-7065DN, IntelliFax 2840, IntelliFax 2940, HL2220, HL2230, HL2240, HL2240D, HL2270DW, HL2275DW, HL2280DW, MFC 7240, MFC 7360N, MFC 7365DN, MFC 7460DN, MFC 7860DW. Based on 5% coverage. Top reviews from the United States. Always works. We've had our Brother black and white laser printer for more than a decade now. It just works. We've bounced back and forth between Brother toner and off-brand. I always think the name brand price is too high, but the printing is always consistent. With the off-brand, sometimes you get great prints, and sometimes you get meh prints, depending on the manufacturer. The Brother toner seems to last longer also, but that is gut feel. I haven't been good at keeping track of actual print counts per cartridge.